What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gil coming at you guys today with another review. Today we are going to be reviewing the Nike Tech Pack Olympic jacket. Let's get into it. Now for sizing reference, I'm 6'3", 220 pounds. I got an XL. I would definitely say this runs true to size. Now looking at it, you obviously get the Olympic patch right here. Then you get a blue Nike swoosh. They also throw in an American flag right on your right sleeve, which is super nice. I also don't know which jacket this is. Like, I don't know what the style is because I've never seen another Nike jacket like this. This is like a really heavy duty warm jacket. It retails at $275. And you have a ton of like pockets. So you have, let me see, I'll show you guys right here. You have one pocket right here. I can get into it. Just like a standard pocket. There's no like zip or anything, but it has this to cover it. Then you have a zip pocket right here, which is super nice. And then you also have another pocket in here. If I can get to it. The same as the other pocket, which is super dope. And also as you go to the back, you're gonna see that it has the USA. And it's kind of weird, this material. I have to look at the tag exactly, but it's not like a really soft jacket. It's almost like a weatherproof. And also has a two-way zipper, which is super nice. And it also has a little Nike stamp right here. Which if I read it, it says, windproof, water repel, and storage. So that's kind of why it feels like this. And the material exactly is 100% cotton. And it feels super nice, but as it should for a $275 jacket. Then on this side, you don't really have anything. I thought these were pockets at first, but they're not. It's got like a yellow mark. I don't know what that is. Never noticed it. You also have a little coat hanger right here, which is super nice. And then it has like a Nike Tech size tag right here. All the Tech Fleece and Tech Pack stuff, which is super nice. The hood is like the same material as the body. I really like all the little lines on it. I think the lines on the hood look super dope. You can tell this jacket was like made with really good quality. And then on the sleeves as well, it has like a little soft material right here, which is super nice. I'll get you guys close up of everything. At $275, I think this jacket was definitely worth it. It's an Olympic jacket and it's made to that quality and high standard. So it's a very high quality Nike jacket. And it's a really cool piece to get your hands on. As you guys see, it has the American flag and the USA. So I think it's a really dope piece to add to your collection. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm just here to show you guys Nike Tech, Nike Lab, and just unboxing. So make sure you guys check out my other videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.